Here I have ZTE Blade V50, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and skip this step. Then you can set up date and time. Then you have these Google services which you can disable and tap accept. Then you can enable this daily wallpaper, but you can also just skip this and tap next. And you have to agree with privacy policy. Then you can set up device security, but you can also do this later in settings and just skip this step for now. And you should select system navigation. You can use gestures, you can use virtual buttons. I suggest you to use gestures. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.